Academic Council of Manipur University resolves to follow the Central Educational Institution Reservation in Admission Act 2006 for this academic session. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi asserts that the BJP government at the centre cannot withhold a due share of the state government. Anonymous screens towards the coffins of 9 martyrs of Churachandpur who were killed in the protest against the 3 bills last year. RIMS contract staffs begins relay hunger strike from today, demanding regularization of their jobs. And the first state-level sub-junior swimming competition kicks off at Modern College swimming pool. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangcham bringing you the top stories. The 6th Academic Council of Manipur University had today resolved to follow the Central Educational Institution Reservation in Admission Act 2006 for this academic year. According to the Act, OBC will have 27%, Scheduled Caste 17%, while Scheduled Tribe will have 7.5% reservation in admission. The council meeting, chaired by newly appointed VC in charge Professor T.H. Jakendra Singh, began at 1 p.m. at VC Court Hall. The official order of the resolution will be released on Monday. Manipur University Students' Union welcomed the resolution and appealed the student community not to indulge in any violent or destructive actions. Personnel of Manipur Police were deployed on the campus to avoid any untoward incident.
ओजा मैं कुपना खन्नरे मतुंगदा 2006 की एक एडमिशन टू वेरियस कोर्सेस से चनरनी है नंगसी रेजोल्यूशन तारे अदुगा मंडे दगी नोटिस कोई एडमिशन नोटिस थोगनी है ना रेजोल्यूशन दा लौग्रे ngasi
2012 की एडमिशन अमेंडमेंट एक्ट सी मसी dispute लाइबनीना 2006 एक्ट टू चनरसी ना तानरकन समाय लौबसे कोई मुसुगी साइड में स्टूडेंट की साइड की यामना नुंगाइबा यामना हराव फोंदोकचरी चाही सी के ओइना लौरिबा कोई रेजोल्यूशन असिदा मखा ताना छात्र सिंगना अकाय अतोय थोन बिदनबा सुआइना थमजरी अदु कईगुंबा अकाय अतोय थोलकपा यारगदी मदु मुसुना मायोकना जगनी.
Manipur University Travel Students Union staged a sit-in at the university gate demanding 31% reservation for the STs while the academic council meeting was underway. The protesters displayed placards which reads, "Not to deceive the students and 31% is our right."
मोइना 2012 अमेंडमेंट से फॉलो तौगनी है हदुबो हौजि फाव फॉलो तौदबीदा रेजोल्यूशन तागने है हौजि फाव ngasi फाव तादे अदुदि दैट मीन्स देयर इज नो जस्टिस अदुगी मरमदा एकोइसे मुत्सुगी माइकाइदि थमनिंग बसिदि जस्टिस लेद्रदि जस्टिस लेनबा एकोइना अकन मखोनजिंग हेना हेना चकिसलकने एमयू अथॉरिटी ना मोइसे पार्लियामेंट की मथकता लेब्रा नत्रगा एमयू से पार्लियामेंट की मखाद लेब्रा सिदि क्वेश्चन अराइज लेबा.
Chief Minister Okram Ibobi in a bold statement has asserted that even if BJP ruled at centre, yet centre cannot withhold due 10 share of the state government. Strongly reacting to the recent statement of Union Minister Prakash Javadekar, Ibobi sought clarification on Manipur government not extending any cooperation in the development of National Highway 37 Imphal-Ziribam Road. Speaking at the one-day political conference at Mayang Imphal Market today, he went on to add that development and construction of National Highway does not lie in the hands of any state government. The central government refused to hand over development of the highway even if state government proposes to take over the responsibility of developing in it view of the sufferings of the people. BRO also maintained that due to lack of funds, the road could not be constructed in time. Making a scathing attack to BJP, he asked whom to be held responsible in such a situation. He also asked on the problem in allotment of land for construction of Sport University, as the government has already given more than 300 acres. Posing a direct question to Chaubo of BJP Manipur Pradesh, he said if there is any dispute over land, why did the centre not construct the university at another venue, leaving the disputed land?
Sien ba yelay yarway do ba leng ba yarway do ba Imphal Jiribam se akhoi gi di alternative lifeline ni Bharat ki Honorable Prime Minister ki 100 days ki program manung da masi yaw khri bani chahi ahum pharak tra bhawa hujik phawba pat tawna leikhom ji khu yawna thammi bisi kari gi no hang da mana kum gi ba state government na mateng pangda ba cooperation what padagi ni na mana khum eba Prakash Javadekar duna press ki sinaw sina state government dagi cooperation mateng haibise karamba mateng asa tawi kari mateng no state government na pida ba se hangamagadi sapcha ba khangane ba madu yauna hangbide ba.
Minister K.H. Ratan Kumar came down heavily against BJP, accusing that BJP only wanted to make India a Hindu state while India is inhabited by various religious groups. As per the Indian Constitution, India is a secular state and anyone can follow the religion he likes. The concept of BJP is to disintegrate India, which is inhabited by various ethnic groups. Acknowledging such evil designs of BJP, the party should not be allowed to have a place in Manipur.
BJP na lauri, leiriba Delhi da leiriba BJP ki government na hairi, awang nung lamdam se makoi na paiti ki nusiba, adu umba lamdam mamada na lauri. Minister kaya ma lep na rai, kaya ma ako'y nangami. Laurammi thabak oina kari tawre BJP na awang nung lamdam mumba state apit pa singa se makoi na karay ko nung siya ko ko yung tangay na si Manipur ki damagta BJP na karamba miyeng Manipur ki interest la makoi na wak tawri bara hai base ako'y kuding mga hangbam ko'y.
Deputy Chief Minister Gakangam has asserted that doors are wide open to welcome those persons who wanted to join in the Congress party by keeping faith in the ruling government. Speaking in connection with the inaugural function of the first state-level sub-junior swimming competition at Modern College Swimming Pool, he expressed sadness on Biren quitting the Congress. However, it will not have any impact to the party. He also maintained that the party did not want him to leave all of the sudden after serving in the party and government for a long time, but there is nothing to say as he left on its own. He also said there is no division or dissension within the party. All the MLAs under Okram Ibobi's leadership are united and there will be no more resignation of MLA from the party and the government.
Personal interest the talk saki bu khokhe ba khone karama khama ngamuni chati channing de mamdi channing de achi akoi ge party de sok khop wa de nataba politician moina or social ko moina nataga body polity se masak phajani mana kari ba symbol adi ge makhada asum chit lei hanning moduni da adiga sakar sina Prajagi seba tawbada angamba development puraknaba honore besi mayam prajana yabiri besida makoi sosum sida koi sammening bagi mi yam laye da mi se sum tungmang nak jinglaga sum loksin mabur su tawbani namadu in due course of time necessary akoi local be step local kani atma yam nung sibidana party yaujage koi chamina si miyam praja seba tawbada Congress party de yaurge hena pung phagani haibdara welcome to
Naria Pakang Lakpa MLA R.K. Anand expressed that there will be a vote in the party without MLA Viren. MLA Anand inaugurated Atom Girls Primary School and distributed a land pata for people of Haribok Chingya affected by 2013 Imphal Airport expansion. Speaking at the occasion, R.K. Anand said the government is making efforts to provide land to the people living in Malom and Maitram areas affected by the expansion. He appealed to those living in Haribok Chingya who are in the list of the government's allotment order list to pay their premium in order to facilitate the process of pata distribution. He further stated that land will be provided within 2 to 3 months by taming the Hairi Bokching for people whose allotment order is already out. R.K. Anand distributed patas to 54 patadar who have shifted from Ningombam.
Rehabilitation की package mo ina haying employment da karida amada government की lakpa matam airport को related to activities में आमा में airport authority of India में खा lakpa में आमा में so कोई हम कना bar कोई negotiation तो जरी है बताए मरो बिरेन को मामा मुझे किसी मागी party दा थम्बा मागी थाजा दबा में आमा में सु highlight करोगा समायने MLA resign तो बसे ayo endi toning de hype tai aikoi congress le hori myam sing sisu ma gu ngak tane hype tai jik leba ki hype wapum la kan da koi kaidong su surrender to roi within the system koi na team moina work to ga mathang su the best governance ma koi pin na right ma koi sim sare hype tai.
Unknown miscreants torched the coffins of 9 martyrs of Churachandpur who were killed in protest against the tree bills passed by state government in the wee hours today. According to the information received by Impact News, the coffin of the 9 martyrs known as Sulphate Pumbuk was set on fire in between 1 to 2 a.m. today at Hyangtam Community Hall at Upper Lamka. JAC against the anti-tribal bill has announced total shutdown in Churachandpur town from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. today. An organization known as Youth Volunteer Andhro was formed today after holding a meeting by representatives of 350 persons from 17 laikais of Andhro. The meeting was organized by BJP Andhro Mandal at Andhro, Machengpad. The organization was formed with the objective to spread awareness of the voting rights and to judicially exercise the voting rights to elect right candidates to enhance democracy. Helping the aged and old persons in exercising their voting rights were among those to be taken up by the Youth Volunteer Andhro. One-day consultation meet on BJP were held at Yumnam Huitrom and Nupimacha Community Hall of Thiam, Laisangkhong in connection with the upcoming 11th general election. The consultation meet were organized by Election Committee, Wangoi Kendra and BJP Imphal West District. Khuraicham Loken, executive member of BJP Manipur Pradesh, said to bring about a new Manipur and a developed Wangoi Assembly constituency lies in the hands of the people. He also sought cooperation and support of the Wangoi Assembly constituency voters in bringing about developmental activities in backward Wangoi Assembly constituency. Nagaram Youth organized a blessing ceremony at Eagle High School, Nagaram, for N. Ratan Kapu Maitai, who will be contesting in the 11th State Assembly election from 2 Haingang Assembly constituency. Speaking at the ceremony participated by different tribes and people from Manipuri Muslim community, N. Ratan Kapu expressed his disappointment at the resignation of the former MLA of the constituency. Contract employees of RIMS begins relay hunger strike today demanding regularization of their jobs. Grade 3 contract employees also joined the agitation from today, which was spearheaded by Grade 4 employees. The agitating employees also staged sit-ins demanding regularization of their services before appointment of new staffs. The decision to undertake relay hunger strike was taken as no positive response was coming from the side of the authority even after taking mass casual leave from 4 to 6 October.
all contract employee ke jo sarko sida yare hai koi tang ni pan lage asi dige horaga lai mai ban
21st annual meeting of the Association of Surgeons of India ASI Manipur State Chapter began today at Jennings Auditorium. A souvenir was released at the function attended by about 320 surgeons, including surgeons from outside the state. Speaking at the function, Chief Minister Okram Iwobi Singh said Jennings became a full-fledged institute with the help and cooperation of the people. He also appealed to doctors and nurses to treat the patients with love and compassion so as to reduce the conflict between doctors and patients. JNIMS Director Professor Lystrom Deven expressed that the conference is organized with an aim to bring about innovations in treatment.
This is my humble appeal to all the staffs, more particularly nursing staff. Please show your sympathy, just like a God, to our sisters, and more particularly and brothers, those who are coming from the far-flung area, and more particularly in the rural and hill areas. Only this much I would like to appeal. The rest, the remaining part, the government is there, the doctor is there. What I am saying, the non-teaching staffs, and more particularly nursing staff, they may not be feel happy with me. And this is my humble appeal. Only this much I would like to appeal.
100 hours assistant yoga teachers training camp concluded today at Kuman Lampak Fencing Hall. The training camp was jointly organized by Bharat Swabhiman Trust, Patanjali Yoga Samiti, Mahila Patanjali Yoga Samiti, Yuva Bharat and Kishan Seva Samiti Manipur. In connection with the closing function, certificates were also distributed to the participants. Speaking on the occasion, Rajya Prabhari Patanjali Yoga Samiti, Dr. N. Rajendra said it is necessary to train yoga teachers as central government is planning to recruit 50,000 yoga teachers. Annual meeting of Mau tribe inhabiting in Manipur was held today at Adim Jati Shiksha Ashram, Chingmairong. The meeting was held under the aegis of Mau Union, Imphal. Members of Mau Naga Women's Welfare Association performed folk songs of Mau tribe at the function. Those who spoke on the event dwelled in length on how to develop the Mau tribe.
Karamhana amana mabo masakhan gira karamhana khone amana mabo identity haidi aikhu imphadalesu panchayat chara leusu leko aduna amara anirak masum pulaga chaminaraga thaminaraga meeting toraga unarudi masakhan nabusu khannare amana mabo understand toreko du khannabu gidamo aduga aikhuisi progress kram tosara unity kram tosara haiba asikmo meeting si togni.
Freshers cum felicitation meet of Paumai students of Imphal was held at the auditorium of Tribal Research Institute, Chingmairong. The meet was organized by Paumai Naga Sidomai Paumai Naga Students Union, Imphal. Director of HRD in Education, NEC, K.H. Sile was also present on the meet. Paumai music and dances were also presented. However, the main attraction of the meet was holding of Mr. and Miss Freshers meet. Artists of Manipur Theatre Academy and Kodifaba Artists Association, Nambol, condoled the demise of Haishnam Kanhailal, the founder-director of Kala Kshetra, Manipur. Outlawed insurgent outfit People's Revolutionary Party of Kanglei Pak, Pre-Pak has greeted indigenous people of Manipur, members of print and electronic media, members of Korkom and members of West Southeast Asia, Wasia on its 39th Rising Day. On the occasion, Pre-Pak's acting chairman K.H. Sethi further paid his respect to all the martyrs who laid down their lives in the struggle for independence and also wished people from both the hills and the valley peace and good health. Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Registration Hauzare MCS 2016 की वाइवा बोसी की दमक मॉक इंटरव्यू याउबा स्पेशल इंटरव्यू कोचिंग की registration Hauzare October 9 दगी 13 फाउबा अयु की पुंग 3 दगी अमा फाउबा एक्सपर्ट सिंग इंटरव्यू टिप्स पिगनी लोइना मेंस माइ पाकलाबा कैंडिडेट सिंग इंटरेक्शन सुपांग थोकनी October 12 दगी 13 फाउबा अयु की पुंग 9 दगी अमा फाउबा मॉक इंटरव्यू पांग थोकनी ngasi mal register tawbihoro registration की दमक Proactive Academy of Competitive Examinations Kwakaitel Imphal the contact tawbiu.
Radiant Tutorial Yumnam Lekai Imphal, run by well-experienced CBSE school teachers. Admission open for Class 9 and 10 CBSE Summative Assessment 2. Class starts on 6 October 2016. Class timing 4:40 p.m. to 7:40 p.m. Subjects offered: English, Mathematics, Science and Social Science. Features: regular unit tests, study materials, MCQ and study tour. Van service is also available.
Ningol Jakobana lakpada imoy nungari na lamda masagi miyam da mahaulay bangari fanghanjari. Imoy nungari na puthokcha bangari kudima hygienic oy ngari asi yamna lunan bifimam da semjabani. Gram chama amasung chani yangkhay ngari ke packet sing dukan khuding magda fangbiragani. Retailer oy ningba singna su contact tawbiba yagani khoi ge address ti imoy nungari Sagolban Tera Sapam Lerak Imphal.
Welcome back after the break and you're watching Primetime English News. JEC of Mohammed Nausad has refuted the allegations of Mohammed Ajmer of Khergaon Makalaikai that JEC of Nausad burned down his house. Speaking to the media of Manipur Press Club today, JEC co-convener Aribam Ajay said that locals of Mohammed Ajmer went to inquire about Nausad death, as Lilong police have informed that Ajmer was also involved in the killing of Nausad. He fired from which house, which led to the injury of some persons. The irate mob then said ablaze his house and not by the JEC. He also expressed unhappiness for not arresting Ajmer by the police till now.
Izi hariba nupa se mihat sida yaure haiba se nasin haram badagi khangmane mana tandana JC kangbu amadi club ki miyoi singda pinpoint tawraga hat kani harakpa amadi JC gi imung manungda dhamka tawbagi mawangda ahing nongjai da gate ka khairakpa mahak ase geng khupu loina ba misak amakhakni aduna athuba mapta raja gi ihun khangna thabuk tawba ngamdraba department se masi leibagi kanadre lo leite ain leite manipur da aduna asigum laba mihat pa geng khupu ase asi matik chaba dandi piba ngamba ngasi mak manipur gi wayel bichar tawriba ichilinaw sing da JC gi maikai digi amadi leibak miyang gi maikai digi ikok non haizari case asi achumba langjin puthok.
Two-day workshop on the theme Integral Manufacturing and Retroversion in Engineering using a 3D printer kicked off at NIT Manipur. The workshop was organized by Department of Mechanical Engineering, NIT Manipur, and EDU Life India, Bangalore. HOD of Mechanical Engineering of NIT Manipur, Huirem Nitrogen, Director at EDU Life Bangalore, TH Sanju, Assistant Registrar NIT, I. Budhi Chandra, and students participated in the inaugural session. Speaking on the occasion, Huirem Niranjan expressed that with the help of plastic and ceramic 3D printing, students will have an opportunity to learn new printing technology and will definitely pave way for a new revolution in technical designing. 4 books were released today at Manipur Press Club. The book releasing function was organized by Iramdam Miyamgi Apunba Khorji Lup Imakol. The released books were Ani Suba Lanjaugi Matamda, Asia da Asibagi Rail Lambidak by Kurai Jamnimai Charan, Sanagi Kairak by Yumnam Devjani, Mengsel na Kaikrabada by Samurai Lakpam Shantibala, and Thamoida Takiba Mami Singh by Nirmala Rajkumari. Delegates of Indo-Myanmar Friendship Chamber of Commerce has donated edible oil, eatable items and money to drug rehabilitation center known as Hope Center, located in Moreh Ward number 8. 46 inmates, including 4 women, Tamils and Bengali, are staying at this center. Secretary General of the Indo-Myanmar Friendship Chamber of Commerce, Saiboy Haukip, said civil society organizations from Moreh are opening anti-drug rehabilitation center at this border town without any financial assistance from the government. Members from various community and police personnel have extended help and support to the center. Such good gesture will definitely help in mitigating the negative image of the town from other states. All Manipur Nupi Marup condemned the killing of Yumnam Roji and Telem Ongbi Renubala and expressed its concern over the increasing crime against women. It further emphasized the importance of empowering women and expressed its desire to make at least 20 women candidates win in the upcoming Manipur Assembly election. National Research Center Manipur published its special issue of its quarterly, The Orient Vision, at the center's Haijigang office. President of All Manipur Working Journalists Union and many people participated in the function. A National Lok Adalat was held at Uripok Chairap Court today. National Lok Adalat was held in other districts of state and 833 cases were disposed and settled with 9,96,568 rupees according to a press release by Manipur Legal Services Authority. one-day free medical camp was conducted at Nungthang Tampak village in Churachandpur district yesterday. The camp was jointly organized by All Manipur Students Union and Comrade Students Union. Mobile doctor team of Jenims and doctors from Sagang Primary Health Center and Churachandpur District Hospital took part in the camp. For more than 400 villages benefited from the camp and free medicines were also distributed. In sports, the first state-level sub-junior age group 3, 4 and 5 swimming competition kicked off at Modern College Swimming Pool today. The competition was opened by Deputy Chief Minister Gakhangam. The competition was organized by Modern College Swimming Development Committee under the supervision of Manipur Swimming Association. 164 swimmers representing schools, colleges and 18 clubs took part in the competition. Deputy Chief Minister Gakhangam expressed happiness in conducting such a competition for the junior category. He also maintained that apart from competition and being a sport discipline, swimming gives us good health.
Particularly angang sing asidigi hungna mado akoi system pura aganda male masida akoi isa sing isu sing aduge naron sing asina okay sanaroi mea prithvi gi hajabatare male masig sigi akoi competition sida mai pak pangam nanabagi achouba indication amadi achouba adugumba lamjing bi amani adugi objective ta paikhatpani pangthokpani khandona sponsor singbu amadi organization target Punukshari.
Trau Kwakaithel and AIM Khabam registered wins in their respective matches in the ongoing 11th Manipur State League 2016. Trau Kwakaithel beat YPHU Lalambung 2-1 in the first league match played today at Mapal Kangjibung. TH Vandona and Amos Nathaniel Edisa scored for Trau in the 25th and 75 minutes of the match, while the one goal for the YPHU was scored by Y Commando I, the 75th minute. On the other hand, AIM Khabam humbled Trupu Nambol by 3-0, and Boris scored brace for AIM in the 22nd and 46th minute, while W Angausana added another goal in the 90th minute. Neroka FC Sangakpam will clash with SSU St. Jamai in the first league match, while Nisa, Thangmaiban and FC Jalan will lock horn in the second league match tomorrow. MSC Malom, IWSC Kumbong and MYC Maharabi won their respective match in the 3rd Imphal West District Division Football League Tournament. In the matches played today, MSC Malom beat BBA Mayang Imphal 2-1. IWSC Kumbong beat YOC Kudompokpi 2-1, while MYC Maharabi trounced USC Kudompokpi 5-1. The tournament is organized by Imphal West District Football Association at YWC Ground, Malom. Manipur Masters Athletics Association will conduct State Athletics Championship on October 22nd and 23rd. Forms will be issued till October 20th at the Office of Athletics Association of Manipur, Mapal, Kangjibung. Medalists of the 6th World Wushu Championship 2016 were warmly felicitated at the Imphal International Airport. 3 Wushu players from Manipur won 3 medals, including 1 gold, silver and bronze each. Jashin from Kakching got gold in the 52 kg category. Malim Nganbi Thaudam from Kwasify won silver in the 52 kg category, while Roshni Bala Naurem from the same locality also won bronze in the 48 kg category. The championship was held in Burgas in Bulgaria from 25th September to 3rd October. Speaking to Impact News, gold medalist Jeshin said that to become a successful person, we need to respect our teachers and gurus. On the other hand, coach of the team Prem Kumar sought the attention of the government in improving the skill of the players by extending all possible help and assistance. Bishnupur District Level Boxing Championship 2016, which will be held for 4 days began yesterday. It is organized by the Bishnupur District Amateur Boxing Association at the Nambol Sabalaikai Public Hall. Oinam Constituency MLA Dr. Aibu Halbi, Bishnupur District Amateur Boxing Association Treasurer Y. Devashore, boxer Laishram Sarita among others attended the opening ceremony. Speaking at the occasion, MLA Dr. Aibu Halbi mentioned that Manipur has produced world champions in boxing. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Academic Council of Manipur University resolved to follow the Central Educational Institution Reservation in Admission Act 2006 for this academic session. Chief Minister Okram Iwobi asserts that the BJP government at the centre cannot withhold the due share of the state government. Unknown miscreants towards the coffins of 9 martyrs of Churachandpur who were killed in the protest against the 3 bills last year. RIMS contract staffs begins relay hunger strike from today demanding regularization of the jobs. And the first state level sub-junior swimming competition kicks off at Modern College Swimming Pool today.